Get on. Get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. I am getting on the bus. I am getting on the bus. Get off. Get off. Please get off the bus. Please get off the bus. I am getting off the bus. I am getting off the bus. Put on. Put on. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. Take off. Take off. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. Throw up. Throw up. I threw up after eating. I threw up after eating. Look after. Look after. I look after my little sister. I look after my little sister. Fill in. Fill in. Please fill in the form. Please fill in the form. I fill in my name. I fill in my name. Look for. Look for. I look for my keys. I look for my keys. Work out. Work out. I work out at the gym. I work out at the gym. Break down. Break down. The car breaks down. The car breaks down. Give up. Give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. Argue with. Argue with. I argue with my sister. I argue with my sister. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. Get up. Get up. I get up after the alarm. I get up after the alarm. Pick up. Pick up. I picked up the phone. I picked up the phone. She picks up a child from school. She picks up a child from school. Clean up. Clean up. I clean up after dinner. I clean up after dinner. Write down. Write down. Write down the answer. Write down the answer. I write down new words. I write down new words. Eat out. Eat out. We eat out on weekends. We eat out on weekends. They eat out at a restaurant. They eat out at a restaurant. Break in. Break in. Someone tried to break in. Someone tried to break in. A thief broke in last night. A thief broke in last night. Grow up. Grow up. I grew up in a small town. I grew up in a small town. Children grow up fast. Children grow up fast. Turn on. Turn on. I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. Turn off. Turn off. I turn off the TV. I turn off the TV. Sit down. Sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Put away. Put away. I put away my books. I put away my books. Take out. Take out. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. She takes out a wallet. She takes out a wallet. Come in. Come in. Please, come in. Please, come in. Go out. Go out. I go out with friends. I go out with friends. Run out. Run out. We run out of milk. We run out of milk. Turn up. Turn up. Please turn up the volume. Please turn up the volume.
Well done! You have learned 30 common phrasal verbs in English with simple examples. Watch again, repeat the sentences, and try using these phrasal verbs in your daily life. Practice a little every day, and your English will become more natural and confident. See you in the next lesson.